My new book, New Parents Are People Too, The 8 Secrets That Every New Parent Must Know, will be coming out in probably early fall. We're hoping maybe the summer, but that's very optimistic. And what I did is I interviewed over 350 couples all over the country, randomly, and asked them what were the secrets of an enduring relationship after the baby is born. And what I have come to conclude are these 8 secrets. The first one is having very good self-esteem. It's really important to know who you are even before the baby is born, and where you're going and what you want out of life. Don't forget that you're a person too, and that you will also be a mom, but you're also going to be a person that needs to develop a sense of who you are, even while you're pregnant, and especially after the pregnancy. Another secret, and this is for both couples really, is to learn to make sure you communicate with each other. You may start feeling a little bickering going on due to hormonal differences, especially in the woman, and sometimes men. I call it co-pregnancy. Men also experience that feeling of emotional roller coasters, even if it's a reaction to their wives, or it's normal. They're scared too. You know, they have feelings, and they don't always talk about them. But it's important for a man to be able to talk about his feelings too. And so it's important to foster that communication together. Always show and use your intuition. Never be afraid when people give you advice. Use your own intuition. You can use what they call women's intuition, or together. Use what you think is best. If people give you advice about how you should feed your children, what you should do, how you should decorate the room, take it in and just take what you need from it. Of course, being loving and caring is very important. You need to be loving and caring to each other. Remember, you created a beautiful human being, and that didn't come from nothing but beautiful love that you have together. Just nurture that together and enjoy that loving and caring feeling, and accept the ability to take the love in from each other. You may not always feel that you have that, but it's underlying every relationship. There is a spark, and you need to understand that spark. Also, be resilient. Don't be afraid to know that you can learn how to cope. You will learn how to cope, and you can be just as resilient as you were before the baby. At times you may not feel it, but you will be able to do it. Another secret is to be flexible. Don't feel you have to stick to a rigid schedule. Just know that some days you're going to be so tired that you just need to relax, and you can't run out and get everything done. It's okay. Be flexible with each other. Be tolerant to each other. You are now taking on a brand new role, and it's very important to be flexible around the baby schedule too. Don't always cater to the needs of other people, family members, friends. They don't understand what you and your spouse are now experiencing. So it's important to be flexible, and don't be hard on yourself. That's a very important secret, to really be able to just not feel that you have to get something done because you said so and it's on your list. Now the baby's taking priority, but you know what? The two of you need to take priority too. So be flexible, but at the same time, don't forget about the two of you.